Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2017 Jaguar F-Pace S. This one's black. Under the hood is a 3-liter supercharged V6 pushing out 380 horsepower and 332 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 22-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Up front we have LED daytime running lights and rear LED daytime running lights. Black leather interior, panorama sunroof, coming around back. This one does come with a trailer hitch, Quicksilver exhaust, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, cargo cover, fold-down rear seats. This one does come with the driver's assistance package, keyless entry, power windows, nice gloss black interior trim, ambient lighting, power windows, Meridian sound system, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition. A rear view backup camera. Navigation. Dual climate controls. Automatic transmission. Different driving modes. Emergency brake. This vehicle has 21,837 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Jaguar, check out feldmannimports.com.